Hello and welcome to Youva Originals. Today we will learn how to make a really cute wall hanging. Let's begin. We'll start by drawing the shape of a fish in our Youva sketchbook, which we will cut out using a pair of scissors. Repeating the same process, we have to make 3 cutouts like this, and then paint in some beautiful colors using our Youva poster colors. Now we'll take a jute rope and tie it to a small piece of stick like this and create a hanging loop at the top. After this, we will stick the cutouts on the rope, and there you have it. Our cute and creative wall hanging is ready. See you again in our next episode.